Hi 5M, today we're going to learn how to add mixed numbers. Go ahead and pull out your whiteboards. We're going to do a couple warm-ups. We're going to do this first one together. So we're going to write 35.7 minus 18.583. Now we have to remember to add zeros when there aren't numbers in those places. First we're going to borrow from the 7, which makes that a 6, carry over the 1, cross out the 10, which makes it a 9, and carry the 1 over, which makes that 10. Now if we take 10 minus 3 gives us 7, 9 minus 8 gives us 1, 6 minus 5 gets us 1, always remember to bring down our decimal, 15 minus 8 gives us 7, and 2 minus 1 gives us 17. Go ahead and pause now and try and answer the next two. Alright 5M, you're back. Alright, here are your answers to that. Go ahead and check this over. If you miss any, raise your hand and we'll come around and help you. Alright, today our learning target is I can add mixed numbers. One more warm-up, I would like you guys to write each improper fraction as a mixed number. Go ahead and pause now and do that. Okay, you're back. Let's check these out together. Now an improper fraction, we always take the numerator divided by the denominator. So we're going to take 17 divided by 5. We know that 5 doesn't go into 1, so we mark our x above the 1. 5 goes into 17 3 times. 3 times 5 gives us 15. 17 minus 15 gives us 2. So it makes that 2 over 5. So our answer is 3 2/5. Alright, now I'd like you guys to turn to page 251 in your math journal. Go ahead and pause now to do that. I would like you guys to answer questions 1, 2, 4, and 5. Go ahead and pause now and answer those. Okay, you're back. Let's check out the answers for those. Alright, these are pretty simple, just adding the sums in the simplest form. So, because they have a common denominator, we just added straight across. So in this one, 3 plus 1 is 4, so it makes it 4/5. Now we're going to get into adding mixed number fractions. When adding mixed number fractions, we always add the fractions first and then add the fraction to the whole number. This way, if the fraction is improper, we can change it to a mixed number and add it to the whole number. So, with 4 1/8 plus 2 3/8, we do the fraction part first. So we look here and we see that they have a common denominator of 8. So we're just going to add straight down. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So that makes that part 4/8. And now we're going to add our number part. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And there's our answer for that. You can also write it as 6 1/2, as we know that 4/8. 4 is half of 8. Now I want you guys to open back to page 251 in your math journal. Go ahead and answer these best you can real quick. Add, I want you guys to do this part. Write each sum as a whole number or mixed number. So these ones should be pretty simple, just like we just practiced. You should just add straight down, add straight down, add straight down, since they have common denominators. That's going to give us 4 over 4. And we always remember when we see this, it means 1. So you're going to get 1 as your fraction. So of course you're going to add that into this. So you can just make a little note. You can carry it up if you want. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Your answer should be 6 on that one. Go ahead and do these now. When you get done, someone will check them for you. Alright, now I want you guys to watch the Math Antics video linked below. It's on finding an easy common denominator. Go ahead and do that now. Alright, so you guys are back from watching your Math Antics video. Let's go ahead and try some of their tips together. Finding the easiest common denominator. So in the video we learned the easiest way to do it is to multiply your denominators here. So the denominator of 2/3 and 3/5 is 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So as they did, we took 3 times 5, which got us 15, and you have to do it the same way to the top. 2 times 5 gives us 10. 10 over 15. And then we did the same with 3/5. So we took it times 3, since 5 times 3 is 15. And we have to do it to the top. 3 times 3 is 9. So when comparing 2/3 and 3/5, now that we've found the easiest common denominator and converted it, we see that 2/3 is actually larger than 3/5. All right, let's try this one on our own. Remember to find the easiest common denominator. Go ahead and pause now and try this. Okay, you're back. Let's go through this together. All right. So we see that it's 3 4/5 plus 2 1/4. So we're going to write that over here, 3 4/5 plus 2 1/4. And to find the easiest common denominator, we found out that was 20 by taking 5 times 4, which gave us 20. So we know 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16, so that gives us 16 20ths. Now we come over here to change this. 4 times 5 is 20, and 1 times 5 is 5. Now we add 16 times 5 gives us 21 20ths. Yeah, this is an improper fraction, so we need to make it a mixed number. So we come over here, we take 21 divided by 20. We know 20 will not go into 2, so we put our x. 20 will go into 21 one time. 21 minus 20 is 1. So we have 1 and 1/20. Now we add that to our we know that 3 plus 2 is 5. So we add our 1 and 1/20 to our 5, which gives us 6 and 1/20. Now, if you guys did not get this answer, please raise your hand and have someone come and help you. Now, for your assignment today, please complete the rest of page 251 and 252 in your math journal. I would like for you to work independently to help you see what you know. Make sure you ask questions if you find yourself confused. When you are done with page 251 and page 252, complete math boxes 8.2 on page 253 in your math journals. Work hard today.